Okay, so when it comes to buying your new Jeep, a lot of dealerships are going to upcharge you to get nitrogen in your tires, and typically you'll have this little colored cap that tells everybody you have nitrogen in your tires. And there's a lot of debate about it being an upcharge and a scam, and initially that was my first thought on it. But after owning this Jeep for about 10 months, and I took it from North Carolina, which was in the heart of winter, which was about 5 degrees and icy, and I took it all the way back to Arizona, which, you know, in the middle of summer is 115 degrees. So I mean, that's about as big of a temperature change as you're going to get. These tires, when I got this Jeep, were at 40 psi, and now when I get in the Jeep, they're still at 40 psi. So towing up and down, you know, different elevations, the tire pressure does not change. I mean, it might go up about 1 psi, but as opposed to just regular air in your tires, I've seen fluctuations of, you know, upwards of 5 to 10 psi depending on where and what you're doing. So I mean, I haven't off-roaded, so I haven't deflated my tires yet. I'm kind of holding on to that nitrogen. But anyways, if you are just going to buy a regular street goer car and you're not planning on deflating your tires for off-roading, I actually would recommend getting the nitrogen in your tires. It's taken a lot of the guesswork out of trying to make sure your tire pressure is correct, and especially for long road trips, it helps out a lot because it's not fluctuating nearly as much as a regular air would. So let me know your guys' experience down below in the comments, and leave a like if this helped you out in any way.